As we move through January 2026, global markets are bracing for one of the most important economic events of the month, the U.S. Non-Farm Payrolls Report. This single release has the power to move the U.S. dollar, gold, and global risk sentiment in seconds. Right now, traders are positioning carefully, knowing volatility could surge the moment the data hits. The U.S. labor market remains central to Federal Reserve policy. While inflation has eased compared to past years, employment strength continues to determine how quickly or slowly the Fed can adjust interest rates. That's why markets are watching not just job creation, but also wage growth, the unemployment rate, signs of cooling or resilience in hiring. This report will help confirm whether the labor market is finally slowing or still holding firm. The U.S. dollar has stayed relatively strong, supported by stable Treasury yields and cautious optimism around the labor market. However, this strength is controlled. Traders aren't aggressively buying the dollar. Instead, they're waiting for confirmation. USD pairs are tightening, signaling uncertainty and a buildup toward a potential breakout once the data is released.
If you're a trader with skill but limited capital, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Meet Funded Folk, a proprietary trading firm designed to help disciplined traders scale faster without risking their own money. Funded Folk gives traders access to substantial trading capital after passing a simple, rule-based evaluation. You trade, they provide the funding, and profits are split in your favor. No unrealistic promises, no gambling, just structured trading with clear rules. With Funded Folk, you get access to funded accounts, clear and transparent rules, competitive profit splits, no personal capital at risk. Once funded, a platform built for serious traders, not gamblers. Whether you trade Forex, indices, or commodities, Funded Folk lets you focus on what matters most: execution and consistency. Funded Folk isn't about luck. It's about risk management, patience, consistency. If you already follow a trading plan and respect drawdown limits, Funded Folk gives you the opportunity to trade bigger without trading recklessly. This is ideal for traders who have a proven strategy, want to scale without adding personal risk, are tired of small account limitations, want a professional trading environment. If that sounds like you, Funded Folk could be your next step. Get started today and see if you have what it takes to trade funded. Check the link in the description, choose your evaluation, and start trading with Funded Folk. Trade smart, trade disciplined, trade funded.
Gold, meanwhile, has shown resilience. Despite a firmer dollar, prices remain elevated, suggesting investors are hedging against a possible downside surprise in the jobs data. If employment weakens, expectations for future rate cuts could strengthen, a scenario that historically supports gold. This keeps gold in consolidation mode rather than in a sharp decline. Markets are currently balanced between a dollar supported by economic resilience, gold supported by uncertainty and shifting policy expectations. This balance won't last long. The jobs report will likely decide the next direction. A strong jobs report could push the dollar higher and pressure gold in the short term. A weaker than expected report could weaken the dollar, lift gold, and accelerate expectations for a more dovish Federal Reserve stance. Either way, volatility is expected to rise sharply. January data often sets the tone for the year, and this NFP release is no exception. With positioning light and expectations divided, markets are vulnerable to sudden, exaggerated moves once the numbers are out. The calm we're seeing now may be short-lived. Stay tuned for post-NFP analysis and real-time market reactions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates.